Are you tired of manually collecting data from multiple web pages? Introducing deep scraping, your solution to extracting comprehensive datasets with ease. Imagine analyzing real estate listings without missing any crucial details. With deep scraping, gather full specifications, amenities, and agent info seamlessly. First, it saves time by automating data collection across multiple pages. Second, no coding skills are required, just a few clicks. Finally, it provides accurate, up-to-date data for informed decision-making. Browse AI stands out because it allows you to chain robots for multi-level data extraction automatically. Ready to get started? Create a free Browse AI account today, and begin your deep scraping journey. Transform complex web data into actionable insights. Don't wait, take control of your data collection now. Subscribe to our newsletter for tips and tricks on making the most of Browse AI.